सब्जी लाइबा चचे सब्जी Once more we will do this evening exercises together. So I will show you what other exercises today for the chest and for bicep. So these two we will see how we can develop these two, chest and our bicep, very quickly and very effectively. Okay, so first of all, let us do a warm-up. First of all, we'll do push-ups. There will be 3 types of push-up: normal, and another is diamond, and another is we will say incline or side to side. I don't know what we call exactly. Okay, so we will do normal push-ups first. After that, the diamond push-up and the side push-ups. Okay, and for that I follow 25 each, 25 at a time. 25 for normal, 25 diamond, 25 sides. That will come into 5 repetitions, 5 times each. That is what I do. Yes, so you can according to you can keep that number and even that repetitions, but these 3 different push-ups, these 3 will really help in different function. Let us it will help us to develop it quickly. So first is a normal push-up. Normal, just keep the hands with a straight level of the shoulder, of the chest or the shoulder. So every one of us knows what is push-up and what is normal push-up. So this is the way. Yeah, this is the way. Just keep hands straight. Okay, so let's begin. After 30 seconds of rest, next is the diamond push-up. So for diamond push-up, yeah, see the shape of this is diamond. Our hand put together. So put our hands together like this, the shape of a diamond. Yes, so keep it straight again, straight to the chest. So now 25. We will do that side push-up. So for that is very simple. We will keep our hands a little wider than the normal push-ups. So a little wider. And what we have to do is move to one side first. Let us move the right first. Move, come up, no, again, now move the left again, come up, right. Okay, so those those exercises were for chest. So after an interval of 30 seconds, we can repeat the exercises 5 times. So next we will do for biceps. So bicep is nothing but we need to contract this muscle here. This needs contraction, so we can use anything that has weight. But as I told you, when we work out, it can be anything, because everyone is at home now, we're not in the gym, so it can be a stone, it can be a packet of salt, or it can be a packet of sugar or whatever that has weight and that which you think it is appropriate for you. Yes, so we have here dumbbell. So today we will work out with this. So first of all, we should keep our body straight so that there can be more contraction. When we keep it closer, then there is less contraction, but when we keep it straight, then there is more contraction. So this is all for today, and if you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing, and thank you for watching till the end. If you have already subscribed, please keep supporting, and please stay safe, stay healthy. And so let us meet up in the next video again. So bye for today.